Welcome to the Oceanbreeze Studios.
Welcome back. Okay, I'm Alana.
And I'm Olivia.
And this is Mia again. So
Stop!
Today we're doing the swap with slime challenge. So basically, everyone makes a really bad slime, and then we swap it with somebody else. And then we swap it with somebody else, and they try and fix it. Okay, and whoever has the best slime at the end wins.
7, 8, 10.
Get
3, 2, 1.
start. Wait, you're starting?
Let's go! I'm stuck. Ow, my nose.
Taking this
Green, because green.
Oh,
it was a green.
green is my queen. And it has to be slime when you hand it over. It can't be some sort of liquid. Okay?
Where's my purple?
I don't want to make this good.
My little blue. What?
Ew!
I love it. I actually kind of dig it.
Ew, what's wrong with your face?
It's not a bad color.
You guys ever think about how like
This is my cupcake.
colors are just
Is the blue working? Oops.
No, the blue's like empty, I think.
colors?
Where's the... Oh, here's
Like
that
my
brown.
purple is
Got some
different
of
than
this?
your purple.
What?
Your purple?
What am I saying? Gonna have to rewatch that and see what she's been saying.
Did you know? So bad.
Need some boy.
Alana goes, you can't make it liquids, and Alana's is just like one.
Oh, I didn't activate it yet. I'm coloring it right now, okay?
No.
Yeah, so
Mine's
shut up.
already done.
Give it a
here.
scent.
Honey.
Oh,
That's actually a pretty color now.
Yeah, it is actually. It's a mint. Minty mint.
Yeah, you didn't like it before now, did ya?
I don't know more glue.
Oh, I'm falling. I'm falling.
So I'm taking my time on my ride.
I like to call this one poop.
It won't open.
Let me just
Okay.
show you it. That's my poop.
Ooh, I like this.
This is gonna be the best
Oh man,
slime
I
I've
always
ever
like
seen.
pretty colors. Like that's a really pretty color.
I should put in like 12 years later. No, I don't know how to do that.
You're stupid.
Mia, can you teach me?
Nope.
Why am I making this a good slime?
Ha.
Wait, it's actually kind of good. It just has a bad color.
Ha. See, the funny thing is they're good at making slime, and I'm not.
Sorry. I ain't sorry.
Sorry. All right, we're done.
No, we're not. Okay, Mia, calm down.
Yes, calm your little.
Calm down!
Alana, you're trying too hard. This is not what the people want. The people want to be entertained, and what are you giving them? Garbage. Garbage!
Keep this in. Keep this in.
You say that every time something happens. Okay, edit that out. Keep this in.
Keep it in, honey.
Keeping it. I bet you're just like all the other newscasters out there, editing out all the garbage. All the smart stuff and keeping in all the garbage. You need to keep the garbage out and
What are you saying?
good stuff in.
Take the good stuff in. Right there. Take it in, guys.
Ow.
Take it in.
The truth. Get these colors away from me. Guys, come on.
I'm sorry.
I'm done. I've been done.
Sorry.
Hey, that's inappropriate.
I'm sorry.
Look, Alana doesn't know who sings that.
Yeah, who sings it, Alana?
Shut up. Don't test me. You don't
Yeah, why do you guys not know? Like,
Because I don't listen to music.
Then don't sing.
Wait, don't waste my contact solution.
Honey, it's overboard.
I need those for my eyeballs!
Yes, you do, Mia. Yes, you do. Preach it.
What do you have, like dailies or something?
I don't have a contact solution. I just like to put the solution in my eyes.
Yeah, you're not supposed to directly shoot it into your
I
eyes.
like the
You made
solution.
so much bad slime, Olivia. At least keep it to a ratio of 20. Look at this! Look at this!
I only
This
added.
isn't going in slime smoothie. That's ugly unless somebody fixes that.
I only added.
I say we pass to this way.
Okay.
What?
Great. I get
Olivia.
Oh,
Olivia's gross slime.
Olivia, you get my slime.
I only added.
We're ending in 30 seconds, okay? 1,
We're
Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi 6, Mississippi 7, Mississippi 8, Mississippi 9, Mississippi 10, Mississippi 11, Mississippi 12, Mississippi 12, 13, Mississippi 16, 17, Mississippi 16, Mississippi 17, Mississippi 18, Mississippi 19, 20 Mississippi, 21 Mississippi, 22 Mississippi, 23 Mississippi, 24 Mississippi, 25 Mississippi, 26 Mississippi, 27 Mississippi, 28 Mississippi, 29 30 Mississippi! Okay, we're done. Hands up, everyone.
Yum.
Yum. Yum.
There's even a slime. Ew! Ew! Ew!
I want to feel it.
Ew! Ew! It feels like eating a fart. Okay, so I guess we're gonna start. Let's start changing them. Feels like eating.
No.
I just realized you just said feels like eating. I don't know if I can fix the.
Oh, I didn't mean to put that much glue. Someone take my glue.
Nope. I will.
Ew. Gross.
It's goopy up. This needs so much glue. Ew, I can't do anything about all the baking soda.
Ew, wait, with baking soda?
And
There's so much freaking baking soda.
What does baking soda do?
If you add contact solution, it makes the slime all hard and gross. I mean, it forms slime, but it makes it all gross. I don't like it.
We like to clean it out. Borax.
Yeah, we do!
and detergent.
Oh, well, only Olivia kills herself with detergent.
Okay.
We don't. We're safe like that.
Those Crayola people using contact solution. Easy.
It's so bad. It makes bad slime. I mean, I'm sorry if you make contact solution slime, but
And if it works
my
for you.
personal,
I'm gonna make it now. I want to see what it looks like.
my personal
Bad.
thought
How did she?
is bad. What?
Jeez, how did you do that?
You just activated it.
No, I added glue.
Alana's like, what do you mean? It's not good.
Oh, the sand. It's not baking soda that gives it a good
Yeah, I
texture.
gave it
It's the
sand. I also added baking soda.
I thought that was baking soda. I'm like, I'm not gonna be able to fix that.
I also added baking soda too.
Yeah, the big chunks is baking soda.
No, the big chunks are the floams. You dumb.
It was flow.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had just like made normal slime.
You tips.
Please?
Tips to slime. Be naked.
Oh, we should make a tip slime video.
Hey guys,
Like
here's some
slime
tips.
hacks.
Slime hacks. Be naked. That always makes
That way it
sense.
doesn't stick to your clothes. See?
You're stealing my slime hacks.
Oh no, it's sticking to me!
I'm
You know what to do now!
I'm going to start my own YouTube channel. And I'm going to start my own YouTube channel, and it's going to be called Lava Wind Slimes.
No, Shark and Lava. What? Shark and Lava Girl.
No, I'm going to make Lava Wind Slimes. That's what's going to be called. The exact opposite of your channel. And
Lava wind slime. Oh, I should. Lava wind slime. Okay, everyone go subscribe to Lava wind slime. I'm kidding, don't do that because me and Sarah are actually going to make a channel. If you give them more subscribers, they're going to use that. Kidding, I'm not that mean.
yeah,
If you like one, please tell me.
if you vined one,
If
vine
you
is dead,
one.
Alana.
Yeah, shut up.
Don't tell her.
With Vine forever hearts.
We should have reacted to our old vines. Oh wait, I didn't do Vine.
Yeah, you did.
I did. It was really bad.
My
I
vines were great, guys.
I remember Alana and I did Vine. We weren't popular, but we did it.
I was popular. Like, people who didn't know me followed me, so.
Yeah, same with slime, bro.
No, not the same with slime.
Same
Yeah,
with slime, man.
Instagram. That's exactly.
And you make
Alright, we need to talk about something cool.
Yeah.
Have you guys just
Race cars!
have you guys ever thought about like dogs?
And
walking
cats. Mom! Hey, excuse you! We have to cut this out now.
Give us some mac and cheese.
I'm getting the mac and cheese.
Okay, well, we're getting mac and cheese now, so.
Sorry.
We're talking about something new. I just licked it.
Ew, what?
I didn't mean to. I
Mine
was
is
like
so good.
pretending to lick
Let's
it.
do like.
What happened to my slime?
I made it slow. You're welcome.
It was like half the size of this.
Yeah, what did you do? Why do you make such big slime?
Am I supposed to change the color to this?
Well, yeah, it makes it prettier.
Too much time dwelling on it.
Who says brown slimes? Who says you're not
Yeah, that's racist,
perfect?
Alana.
I'm sorry. Don't say that. Edit that out, Alana. Seriously, like, don't say that.
You guys are stupid.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, we're editing back.
Olivia, you're the one who was like talking
Wolverines.
about concentration camps the other day.
Edit that out.
Yeah, we're gonna do all this out. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, don't talk about any more inappropriate stuff. Go.
No, Alana, when you're on a film set, you say
Cut! Cut!
Cut it.
Sorry,
So
we were
that you
talking
know when
about
they
bad
cut it.
stuff.
Why would you even say that?
Cut!
Just leave in the
You
cut.
need to cut it.
You should, yeah, you just leave in the part that says, Alana, when you're on a film set, you say cut, so we just go,
Cut! Okay, this looks like cut! Ah! This looks like grapes. Like, this is actually really weird.
mine, looks like, I'm gonna
I think I call this like grape wine.
I'm gonna put a backstory behind mine.
Alana made it and it was really bad, and now Mia's fixing it. So yeah, that's the backstory.
No, my backstory is like a good story. So like, you know,
His name was Bob,
No,
and then
no.
he died, and he rebirthed as a good job.
Okay. So you know, you know how like there's some restaurants stuff like that.
Really?
So like you go to a restaurant and
No.
you eat.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, I know.
Ew, it's like
You
diarrhea.
go to a restaurant and like
Ew,
you order
that's disgusting.
you order like a nacho supreme.
Mine looks like grapes.
And the nacho supreme is like really good, but like whenever you're done eating nacho supreme, you're like, oh, and like you go to the bathroom.
I want another
Go to the
one.
bathroom.
Wait, don't waste someone.
So I call this one
I'm using it.
nacho
I'm
supreme
wasting
soup.
it. I hate when people say that.
Nacho
You're wasting
supreme.
it. Honey, I am using
It's
it.
not gonna show up. Don't waste that because
Yeah, it is. Look.
it costs $5.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Buy me another one.
I bought you like $40 worth of things.
Cut. Again, buy me that stuff.
Yeah, I bought you that. Let's just show.
Guys, I'm gonna like faint.
Really?
I don't feel good anymore.
Really?
Like I just like don't feel good.
Do you feel like you ate like 5 nacho supremes?
I want to see her faint. Title: Girl faints.
Because
Slime.
it's caused by slime. Girl faints breathing in fumes of borax.
Like I haven't eaten anything all day. My tummy really hurts.
Oh my gosh, same. I forgot about that. Now my tummy hurts again.
I'm just hungry.
Now we're starving. Please donate money to
time
the
is
Starving
it?
Foundation.
No, cut.
Why wouldn't you do? Are you against charity?
No, Alana's gonna take everybody's money from.
Alana says, please donate to a starving children foundation.
Oh no, that means.
She never said that. She said donate to the Starving Children Foundation.
Yes. Yeah, Alana made it.
No, she did not. There are Starving Children Foundation.
it.
Are you against Starving Children?
Olivia's against
Olivia hates starving children.
what are we supposed to do?
Alana is a starving child.
So you hate me? You hate me?
Why did we brought it to life? Why did we
warm.
Mine was purple first, so I get the
Mine was purple
patience.
second.
Mine was purple.
Mine's
You
not
didn't even know to color it.
Mine
You
is not
guys
a
were you're pressuring me.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Guys, this is a stupid video.
Yeah, I know. We'll edit all of it out. It'll just be us saying cut over and over again. Okay, let's go to ASMR because I'm done and you guys can do yours later.
I'm after you.
You can do my ASMR because I'm gonna faint.
This is my slime. Actually, it wasn't my slime at first. It was Olivia's gross poop butthole of a slime.
Hey, you called me my phone.
And so we did, didn't we? Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, well, okay. I'm starting over.
So stupid!
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my ASMR. And I call this one Grapevine. If you want to purchase it, it'll be in my store. Yes, it will. I'm selling it, okay? I like it. So,
You
yeah.
like it that much you just want to get rid of it? Wow.
I'm sorry. Okay, so fine.
So this is my slime.
It was originally Mia's, but I made it into a phone. Hers wasn't that bad, but now it's really big, so yeah.
And I just made it into
A flown, but it's kind of metallic
color. You can't really see it on camera.
but it's sort of there.
So yeah. I'll make this into a cube.
Real fast, thought it was great too. But whatever.
Hey. Okay, now I'm gonna be which was Alana's slime. This was Mia's. I don't know her inspiration for it, but yeah.
So, all of our slimes are purple, you know.
Just a regular slime.
A little bit of sand in it.